You want to get started in real estate photography. Where do I start? Well, I'm going to share some tips with you on how to get going. Hi there, I'm Scott Prokop. Are you interested in getting started in real estate photography? If so, here are a few steps to take to get started. Number one, learn the basics. Before you start shooting, it's important to understand the basics of real estate photography. This includes composition, lighting, and how to properly frame a shot. There are plenty of resources online to learn, so be sure to check them out. Two, invest in equipment. To get started in real estate photography, you'll need to invest in some equipment. This is a camera, lens, tripod. Invest in high quality equipment, as this will produce better results. Three, practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, real estate photography takes lots of practice. Four, build a portfolio. Once you feel comfortable with your skills and have some good shots to show, start building a portfolio of your work. This will be important when it comes to finding clients and getting hired. Five, network and market yourself. In order to get hired for real estate photography jobs, you will need to let people know that you're available. Network with real estate agents, property managers, and consider a website or social media presence to showcase your work and make it easy for potential clients to contact you. I hope these tips will help you get started in real estate photography, and watch more of my videos for other great tips. Good luck, and be sure to reach out and ask any questions in the comments below. I am Scott Prokop, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.